Wait, I was planning. What?
Is that literally lava?
What? What kind of cave is this? It looks like a manhole cave. Look.
Well, we can make a house there. You. By the way, I look at you.
Where are you? Hey.
Hello everyone, today we'll play Minecraft. Yes.
Yes.
And now my sister is now joining. Yay.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Finally, my sister has joined. Let's go. Yes, let's ride our boats. Wait, where are my boat? Why there's only one boat? One man. So I'm gonna go there pa. Gi, yusakay. Ay nga nang imo manggiguba. Ninya girl, ibalik na, ibalik.
It's on me na.
I will give you.
Back.
Saan ang boat? Saan ang boat?
It's here.
Where's
And
my
now I'm
boat?
gonna go back there.
Where's my boat?
I don't know.
You can do it. Oh, you do it.
Here's your boat, Ninya boy.
Where?
Your boat is literally here. Are you dreaming or something?
No, not dreaming.
No, you're dreaming.
Sakay na. Ati ka siya.
Di sakay lagi mo tong it, sakay.
Sakay na lagi.
Sakay na lagi. Siya po. Ay.
Nana?
3, 2, 1, now we're gonna go boasting to that ngiyong bye-bye. Ay, wala abot.
Oh.
Waka abot sa tubig. Yes.
Stuck na ko.
What?
I told you go to Kuya Matmat.
Tama na. There. We're not stuck anymore.
Bro, my skin, I hate this skin. It looks like a gay. I'm not even a gay, dude. Well, everyone, let's go pearl up.
Are you sure, bro?
Yes, let's pearl up.
Mana, ati ka siya. Mana.
Mana, lagi tayo mani.
You can use my boat.
No, it's yours, man.
You can use it.
No, it's okay.
You don't have a boat, man, so you can use it.
You need to pearl up.
Okay.
Pepper up.
Oh, pearl.
Ender pearl. Use ender pearl to get
What the
up.
hell? I don't have a
Wala
pearl.
You give a ticket siya.
Hmm?
Yeah, nice. You give a ticket.
Okay, I'm
No,
here.
man.
Bro, I'm literally up the
Oh,
top
it's
now.
up there.
Thank you.
Oh, you punch me with
I did
your
not.
under pearl.
Oh, I did.
Oh, you
Hello,
can't
hello.
punch with your
Thank
under
you.
pearl.
Sorry.
Maybe you're stuck in a wall. Ate Kisha, do you have a bed?
No.
Well, we don't have to.
Me too. I don't have a bed.
Crazy.
Yes, because we
Hey,
don't have a
Zuri,
bed.
I can see you. Hi.
Hi.
Zuri, it's almost nighttime.
Just wait, I'm in the light.
Everyone, it's almost nighttime.
Oh,
But I
yes.
don't have a bed, my man.
Yes, we
Ala.
don't have a bed. So, it's you pala. Sorry. So we're gonna survive it.
Oh, oi!
You have regeneration, man.
Stop lagi, stop lagi.
Now let's go. Let's go.
But please, can I just kill this cow,
Cow.
by the way?
Okay, go.
Hey, you collect wood for that. You have a crafting table.
Ay,
Player.
dili na lang. Asa man
Player
ikaw?
slash my sis.
Asa man ikaw? Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Who just punched me?
Kuya Matmat.
Me.
It's Kuya Matmat.
Here.
Are you sure? Look at the face. You're acting weird, by the way. Stop! Stop!
Ay, no.
Stop!
No, PvP.
Stop!
Hey, I said no PvP.
Stop!
Okay, we're gonna go to the
Stop!
psych. I'm kinda crazy. What the hell?
Can I kill the cow, please?
Yes, you
Yes,
can
you
kill
can.
the cow.
Wait, I was planning. What?
Is that literally lava?
What? What kind of cave is this? It looks like a manhole cave. Look.
Well, we can make a house there.
Ate Kisha, come here. Wait, she's
I
back
saw
there.
you. We can make a house back here,
She's
bro.
back there. Let's rescue her.
Oh, and
Battle mode.
Battle mode 2!
Let's
Battle
rescue
man.
Ate.
Battleman are
Uy, ano naman yun?
super great.
Battle mode.
Ay,
Don't worry.
Battleman,
I'm coming to your battle mode.
Battleman,
Uh-huh.
Battleman.
Wait, a village?
Yes, a village.
Oh!
You serious, bro? We found a village.
Because of me.
Well, we
Because
gotta
of me.
go here, bro.
Bro, you're too excited. We need to go to battle mode. We need to go to battle mode because everyone is attacking. Attack.
Hey, why are they only attacking me? Do they like me?
What the hell? That's cringe, bro. Ate Keisha is getting the
No,
cringe.
no, my
Jump,
bad, bro.
Jump,
Don't
jump, jump.
steal
What?
Ay.
Why did I come back?
my full stuff.
Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Are you done?
I have a boat now.
Come on. Land and repair. Let's go. Now where
Why are
are you?
you not even helping me, bro?
I'm here,
Bro, I'm sorry. Ninya is on the village. Sorry, battle
Uy,
mode.
imamagi ko akong bone.
Bone.
Is that a
You
cute?
literally have it because
No, it's only one.
I got a lot.
Hi.
You can get a hat.
Hi, Iron Man.
Iron Man, it's an iron golem, dude.
We gotta kill this Iron dude.
On some
No,
ka,
no.
girl. It's iron golem.
Iron Golem, you gotta
Uy,
die.
gamaya
for me.
good ani, uy. Like, bro, sara ka house? Bro, there's only one living. Hello, girl. So this is a maybe.
Geronimo!
Yeah. That's it. I'm gonna go jump in the.
I got the
bubo.
iron.
Patay.
I got the iron. I got the iron, Ate Kesha.
Wow.
I killed
Hala,
the
you
iron
killed the
golem.
iron golem. Hala, you're so bad, Ninya girl.
Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.